In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify not displaying songs in car on Android. If your car's screen opens but your Spotify library is blank or nothing loads in Android Auto, follow along. We'll start with compatibility checks, then refresh the connection, and finish with quick cleanup steps that often resolve display issues. First, make sure both Spotify and Android Auto are up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Spotify, and tap Update if you see it. Then search for Android Auto and update that as well. Keeping both apps current ensures your phone and your car's system speak the same language, which is crucial for showing song lists and artwork correctly. Next, restart your phone, press and hold the power button and tap Restart. A simple reboot clears temporary glitches and can restore the link between Android Auto and Spotify without changing any settings. Now restart your car's infotainment system, turn the system off, then restart the car or the head unit depending on your vehicle. This refreshes the in-car software and reinitializes the connection to your phone, which helps when the screen layout loads but music apps don't populate. After both devices are refreshed, reconnect Spotify. Plug your phone back into the car with USB or reconnect via Bluetooth, then open Spotify on your phone and try playing music. If you're using a cable, make sure it supports data, not just charging. If you're on Bluetooth, wait for the phone to fully connect before you press play so the car can request your library properly. If songs still aren't showing, clear Spotify's cache. On your phone, go to Settings, then Apps, find Spotify, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can block the app from loading your playlists without touching your saved music or account data. If the issue persists, reinstall Spotify. Long press the Spotify app, tap Uninstall, then reinstall it from the Play Store, and log back into your account. A clean install replaces any corrupted files that can cause display bugs. You may need to re-download offline content afterward. Common causes of this problem include outdated apps, minor connection glitches, corrupted cache, or occasional app bugs. For best results, use a high-quality USB cable if you connect wired, and keep your phone close to the car's receiver for a stable Bluetooth connection if you're wireless. After following these steps, Spotify should display and play songs properly in your car. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.